Assalamualaikum friends, this is Sami and you are watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, as you can see, this building total area is 2,100 square feet, means 2,100 square feet, and here are 2 bedrooms and 1 guest room, and also it's included with kitchen. So this is kitchen, and the front of that person which are painting, so that is the washroom, general washroom for this home. So now I will show you 2 bedrooms. Okay, so these are bedrooms. 2 bedrooms are present here with attached washrooms. Okay, you can see this is washroom, and this is 1 bedroom. Okay, now this one is 2nd bedroom, right? Its attached washroom is here, this one. Okay, so they've already fixed the tiles, okay, with the height of 4.5 feet, right? So this is the labor, you can see him. So they are making material for fixing tiles. So this is big, so its weight is so it's ready-made materials for fixing the tiles, so its weight is just 20 kg, right? So it's ready-made material. So now he is making it. Okay, so it's wet material. Okay, when they put water here, so it become like this for tiles, right? Yes. Now I will tell you something new about staircase. Okay, so these are straight stair. Okay, its waist is 6 inch, this is 6 inch. Okay, and the riser height is 8 inch, and its tread is 1 foot. Okay, remember that it's up to 11 feet, this staircase. Okay, riser 8 inch and tread is 1 foot. Okay, waist is also 6 inch, you can see it from cross section. Okay guys, this is kitchen, as you can see. So they've already completed the tile works here. So this is the kitchen, which size is 7 by 6 feet, right? This is kitchen. Okay, its height is just 2.5 feet. It's saying, okay, 2.5 feet, right?